So that is it, guys. That's how simple and easy it is to install the Rough Country grab bar handle. I like it because it matches the exterior color of my Jeep, which is red obviously, and everything right here is kind of dark, so this is gonna stand out. So pretty sturdy. You can yank on it and it's not gonna move because there are 2 bolts attached to the body. So that is it from me today. If you guys like the video, click that like button, and if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Definitely appreciate it. Alright, well, until next time, I'll see you guys on the trail, and keep on jeeping.